Hello everyone. Hi Capricorn. This is reading for you, December weekly reading, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay. So let's see your messages. What's going on, Capricorn at sign? Energy could be vice versa. What's going on, Capricorn? A lot of air energy. There is separation 100% for some. Mostly you are in separation with your person right now. I think your person may be sneaky, played with you. For some it could be third party situation also, Capricorn, because you are heartbroken right now. You are in so much pain. Yeah, definitely there is some spying going between both of you guys. In recent, I think one person may be right now stuck. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. And 7 of Pentacles. But one person in this connection invested and waiting for the result. It could be you or your person. I think it's you invested in this connection, Capricorn. But your person maybe played games with you. And yeah, you literally stuck on your person energy, definitely. And that's why you're not sleeping well. Especially at night times, you're thinking about your person a lot. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. And definitely, I think your person maybe have options. They're seeing other options. 7 of Cups. Yeah, there is lot of emotions here. You are in so much pain. What I'm getting here. Energy could be vice versa. Once again, I'm saying definitely there is a lot of pain here. Separation, cold shouldering. I think your person may be backstabbed on you. Definitely there is cheating, lies involved, a third party involved in this situation right now. And maybe your person spying on you on social media. Definitely there is some spying going between both of you. Page of Swords. But one person undergoing some spiritual awakening. There is no contact between both of you. It could be you or your person, or Virgo also. You or your person could be. Definitely this person is not talking to other person. I think it could be you also. You want to overcome this pain and you undergoing some healing process, Capricorn. Yeah, there is, I think you are literally, you are in so much pain, Capricorn, because 3 of Swords, 9 of Swords, 8 of Swords, 5 of Swords, all of air energy. I think your person may be lied to you. Definitely there is some, most of you are in third party situation, guys. Yeah, 7 of Cups, you are in so much confusion also, what to do, what not to do, because you are stuck on this situation. There is separation. You are very, very sad for the separation. Wow. But some spying going between both of you. A lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely there are some misunderstandings between both of you guys. I think the one person who invested in this connection is you. The one person who honest in this connection is you. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. You're always there for your person in this connection whenever they want. Yeah. So let's see your person current feelings and then future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. So Capricorn, your person current feelings. Okay. 3 of Cups. King of Pentacles. The Hermit. I think your Hermit could be your person also undergoing some spiritual awakening. Definitely there is not, your person is not talking to you right now because they are also undergoing some spiritual awakening. For some, you both could be undergoing some spiritual awakening, guys. Yeah, they want reconciliation. Definitely now they are realizing your worth. King of Pentacles means for some, your person right now concentrating on their career, but with 3 of Cups and King of Pentacles, definitely they want reconciliation. They are thinking about reconciliation with you because 3 of Cups with King of Pentacles. See, yeah, reconciliation. They want reconciliation and celebration with you. Yeah, they're thinking about reconciliation and to offer long-term stability, but it will take some time because right now your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. You both are not talking. If you are in talking terms, but it is very low. Okay. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Chariot, Knight of Wands, Six of Swords. Some communication. Definitely your person want to fix the things between both of you, moving towards calm water. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. And the Chariot with Knight of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of passion. Your person have a lot of passion for you, and they want to take things to next level. Definitely they will make some move towards you after healing. Definitely they are also undergoing some healing process, Capricorn. Yeah, Chariot. Definitely Chariot is very slow moving energy. Still there will be some movement. Yeah, they want to take things forward with you, Capricorn. Yeah, because there is a lot of passion. Knight of Wands. Definitely they will make a move towards you. Definitely they will make some action towards you. Six of Swords. Yeah, some communication. You will expect some unexpected communication from your person, and your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Virgo especially. Your person could be. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. But you are in so much pain, Capricorn. You are stuck literally. Yeah, Five of Pentacles, King of Swords, Ace of Swords, Lord of Air Energy, Emperor. Yeah, your person may be stubborn, definitely, for some. Yeah, still there you are in separation for some. Five of Pentacles, but some communication, honest communication. I think communication is coming in your way. You both will communicate in near future, Capricorn, because King of Swords, this time they want to express. I think you both expressing your true feelings with each other. What I am seeing here, honest communication, because King of Swords means speaking truth and honest communication, and Ace of Swords also truth coming out and honest communication. I think for there are lot of you, there is a chance for new beginning, because Ace of Swords is new beginning, truth coming out. I think this time your person want to commit to you because the Emperor is here. Yeah, this time they want to commit, but it's up to you totally to accept or reject. Okay, depending upon your situation, you have to take decision, but there is some communication is coming in your way. King of Swords with Ace of Swords. I think you both will communicate. I think communication is the key here, what I am getting here, Capricorn. So if it is third party, please be careful before making any decision. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, your person is coming back. They want to express their true feelings, but you are undergoing right now so much pain for some. Yeah, you are so sad, but some spying going between both of you. Yeah, your person want to touch the waters with you, then they will communicate. Right now they are testing the waters. So let's see your overall energy, Capricorn, for the week. Devil, your card, Capricorn. Six of Cups, Nine of Wands, Hangman. Definitely you are stuck. I already told you. Definitely you are stuck. And Nine of Wands. This time you are not sure about making any decision because you are protecting your emotions. You are guarded up right now. Yeah. Even though you want this relationship, right now you don't want to give any signal to your person. And Six of Cups, definitely reconciliation. They are coming back for reconciliation, and you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And for some there is some obsession also. Your card, Devil card, you both are obsessed with each other. There is some obsession. Yeah, or your person may be addicted to some bad habits. Okay, take what resonates and leave the rest. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Capricorn. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Empress and Empress. See, you both are very strong and stubborn couple. Star, yeah, they're hoping that they're still hoping for this connection. They're hoping that you will give second chance again. And Queen of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions for you. Eight of Pentacles, yeah, this time they want to work on this relationship, and your person want to invest on this relationship. And again, it is very slow moving energy but stable offer. Yeah, This time they are very serious, Capricorn. So depending upon your situation, take decision. Okay. So yeah, your person coming back for reconciliation. They want second chance and they are still hoping for, because the star is here. Yeah. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.